Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the footage matches platform expectations. Vertical 9, 16 and under 60 seconds, because the Shorts player prioritizes that format. Once you have the file, open the YouTube app or Studio and tap the plus button to create a short or upload. Select your clip, then immediately trim the start and end to the tightest moment. This keeps viewers watching. Make these choices now so the rest of the upload flows smoothly and your video meets Shorts criteria. Now focus on shaping discoverability and watchability. Use YouTube's editor to add captions, music, and on-screen text. This increases retention and accessibility. Once done, craft a concise title and a clear description explaining the content, and include the hashtag #shorts so the system can categorize it correctly. Make sure you select the correct audience setting and add location if relevant. On desktop, you can add advanced tags to target niche searches. These steps improve ranking and help finish by choosing visibility, public to reach everyone, unlisted for a private preview, or schedule a release time, and confirm any monetization settings if eligible. Tap Publish and then immediately monitor the short in analytics to see impressions, views, and audience retention, because early performance guides promotion decisions. If the upload fails, first check the file format, duration, and your internet connection. Then clear cache or try uploading from the desktop. That key troubleshooting step usually resolves most upload issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.